How to make a poll on Discord. If you want to make a poll on Discord, this is a fairly new feature. First, you can open up the Discord app or go to discord.com. Remember that you can only create polls on your own server. So simply navigate towards the server that you have created. Once you're here inside your server, inside a certain channel where you want to maybe go ahead and create a poll, from the bottom of the text bar, you can see the plus icon. Click the plus icon and there you can see the option that says create poll. So you have to just click the create poll option. Now you can go ahead and then basically type in your question and then type in the answers, add another answer. You can set a duration for this poll and then just hit the post button as well. And this way you'll be able to go ahead and basically create a poll on Discord. I hope the video helps you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.